High-intensity interval training, or HIIT as it's commonly known, is a workout regimen that has taken the fitness world by storm. It's not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. But let me tell you, the results are worth every drop of sweat that drips down your face during those intense intervals. The concept behind HIIT is simple yet effective. You push your body to its limits for short bursts of time, followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. This cycle is repeated multiple times during a single workout session, making it a high-energy, calorie-burning powerhouse. What sets HIIT apart from other forms of exercise is its ability to keep your body burning calories long after you've finished your workout. This phenomenon is known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOS. Essentially, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate as it works to restore itself to its pre-exercise state. This means that even after you've left the gym, your body is still torching those calories, helping you achieve your weight loss or fitness goals faster. But let me tell you, HIIT is not for the faint of heart. It's intense, it's challenging, and it will push you to your limits, both physically and mentally. Those short bursts of all-out effort can leave you gasping for breath, your muscles burning with lactic acid, and your heart pounding in your chest. But it's in those moments of discomfort that you truly see what you're made of. It's where you find your strength, your determination, and your resilience. And the best part? HIIT workouts are incredibly versatile. You can tailor them to suit your fitness level, whether you're a beginner just starting out on your fitness journey, or a seasoned athlete looking to take your training to the next level. You can incorporate a variety of exercises, from bodyweight movements like squats and burpees to cardio exercises like sprints and jump rope. The possibilities are endless, and the results speak for themselves. So, if you're looking to rev up your metabolism, burn calories long-term, and challenge yourself in ways you never thought possible, give HIIT a try. It may be tough, it may be intense, but I promise you, the rewards are well worth the effort. HIIT is not just a workout, it's a lifestyle, a mindset, a commitment to pushing yourself beyond your limits and becoming the best version of yourself.